Good boy. Good. So this is kick. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Anytime that instantly, just do that. Instantly. Good boy.
No, buddy.
Good boy. Well, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. So when you turn your back now, you carry your back and go. You carry the sugar away. Good boy. Now good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Well done. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Go right into the corner. Good boy. Watch him. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, good. Good boy. Let's pressure for him. Yeah? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Yeah. So what I would want you to do now is this. As he challenges you, I want you to really go back, yeah? Really, your whole body language is really submissive. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. And you turn your back. Yeah? Good boy. Turn back. Yeah. Good. Bravo. Good boy. Yeah. Come. Good boy. Good. Well done. Good. Good boy. So his first time out, it's fantastic, isn't it?
Very good, mate.
Good. Brilliant. Bravo.
For a very young dog.
Good boy. Well
That's
done.
good, bro.
He's never done that.